I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed and start my day. I open the curtains. I open the windows. Make my bed. I check my phone. I practice yoga at home. I meditate for 20 minutes. I walk my dog in the park. I do simple physical exercises. I splash some water on my face. I wash my hands. I rinse my mouth every day. I brush my teeth. I take a quick shower. I dry my hair. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I apply skincare products. I put on deodorant. I have a glass of water. I make a cup of coffee. I prepare breakfast. I eat breakfast. I pack my lunch. I plan my day. I check the news. I read a book or article. I write in my journal. I make a to-do list. I do some stretches. I tidy up my room. I'd organize my workspace. I water the plants. I take out the trash. I feed my pet. I clean the kitchen. I brew tea. I have a healthy snack. I listen to a podcast. I listen to music. I check my calendar. I reply to messages. I prepare for work. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more only English vocabulary.